was really freaking bored and thought I would take y'all on like a little adventure, sort of. Those are bikes. Yeah, so I'm gonna take y'all on the adventure of me going to school. So, that's my bike. That's my mom's bike right there. This bike is broken as balls. So don't judge me, I have to take my mom's. Oh crap, the seat's all wet. Humidity. It's actually really warm out here right now. I'd expect it to be cold as frick. Actually, I'll show you real quick. This is my... Okay, don't laugh. But this was handmade by me. And it's really, really bad looking. It's my weight set. I actually persuaded my dad to let me borrow some of his weights. And I made my own little bench press table thing. Yeah. See? The bar is held up by bricks, and there's the little thing that I lay on, and the weights are down here. I've got 3 15-pounders for that side, 3 15-pounders for that side, 2 8-pounders, 2 5-pounders, and 2 2.5-pounders. So yeah, that's for me weightlifting. Y'all will probably see me weightlifting in a video some other time. But today is not the day for that. So let me extend. Oh wait, if you're wondering, I'm using a selfie stick. Another thing you can't really judge me for, because I don't have good, equipment. Alright, there's gonna be like some really bad angle shots and crap. Oh crap, I forgot to do my math homework. Well, too friggin' late now. I gotta get to school. To do math homework or be late. So yeah. Alright, well, this is going to be a lot slower of a bike ride than normal for me, because normally I stand up and ride. I'm actually riding with no hands right now because I have one hand on the selfie stick, one hand just dangling free. So I should probably hold on my other hand so I don't get frickin', if I need to take evasive action, I don't get run over. So whew. Dang, man. Basically, we just ride down my street, and I actually I am going to try to take the shortcut. My shortcut starts off as like a little kind of dirt trail that leads out back here. See? And then after a while it turns into a sidewalk. But if you look behind me and look close, you can see all sorts of bike tracks and stuff from people riding through here during rain. Most of them probably me, because I'm the one who goes through here most and is not walking through here. I'm gonna switch camera angles real quick. Yeah, it's an old bike. It makes sounds. Alright. Let's try it this way. I'm not sure if I'll like it this way, because I'm better just going with my left hand, but I want my hand on the freaking gear switch. Wondering, gear switch, you probably thought this was a BMX bike, but you would probably be wrong, because this is not a BMX bike. It is just an extremely small mountain bike. Oh god, there's lots of vibration on that side. See, I'm gonna take... Oh, hurry up, birdies. I don't know if y'all can see them. They're going that way. So this is actually taking me a while, because not only with a bike this small, a sort of, stand-up ride, like this, but it's kind of hard to do with one hand. I know, normally I actually can do it with one hand. It's just there's the fact of me holding a camera in my other hand. If I hadn't been holding a camera, I could stand upright with one hand. I can actually stand upright with no hands. Once again, with a camera, I have to like balance my weight differently and crap. So, oh, I had to fart there. Very nice. Alright. Oh, and we turn. Okay. So we're past our shortcut. And now we're riding right along a sidewalk. On a sidewalk that's like right next to the road that leads to my school. So this should be fun. There's also a big frickin' park. It's like right across from my school. Alright, I'm gonna have to stop up here because I have to cross the street. I gotta wait for like 0 cars. Now's my chance. Go, go, go. Alright, I'm gonna have to stand. And I made it. Yay. Up, guardrails. Boop. Don't know if I could see those. There we go. I was going uphill there. With one hand. Which, for a 12-year-old, my size, is extremely hard to do. Okay. So, now, here's the park. Let's go have some fun. Woohoo! That was awesome. I love doing that. I do it every freaking morning. Now, problem is, getting back up over there is going to be a problem with one hand. So I might actually end up having to pause the recording just so I can climb up there. Alright. This is actually extremely dangerous for my cell phone, as a GoPro would work a whole lot better, but a GoPro would work better than my phone altogether. If I had a GoPro, I'd also need a computer, but I'd be using them all the time instead of my little freaking phone. Unless unless my GoPro was dead and I didn't feel like looking for it. Oh, here we go. Uphill time. Alright, crap. 1 second, I'm gonna have to do this. There we go. I just have to shift over real quick. Oh, y'all are gonna look at the sky for a second. Nope, don't shift. I'm gonna let, dang nabbit. Oh, guard railing. Concrete made. There we go. Alright. So now we're on our way to gym first period. Almost there. There's crossing guard lady. See? That's school plus cars, and then there's crossing guard lady. I'm gonna have to stop here real quick. Alright. She won't like being recorded, so I'll continue recording when I'm on the other side. Okay, we're back. And now we're riding across the school grounds. Okay. So now we're on the school grounds. There is said school. It's freaking huge as nuts. Well, probably schools that are bigger, but it's bigger than my last one. Car. Alright. And we're here. Dirt. Alright. So we're here. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to, hit that like button.